Imagine your engine is trying to breathe through a straw that is permanently stuck wide open when it should be narrow. Because that is exactly what is happening when your computer throws a P2070 code. This specific trouble code means your intake manifold tuning valve is stuck open on bank 1, which is the side of your engine where the number 1 cylinder lives. Now, think of this valve like a set of flaps that control how air swirls into your engine to make sure the fuel burns as efficiently as possible. When these flaps are stuck open, your car loses that precise control, leading to a noticeable drop in fuel economy and engine performance. You might even see other codes for running too lean or too rich. Most of the time, this happens because the internal flaps are binding up, a vacuum line has a leak, or the little motor that moves the shaft has given up. To fix this, you should first grab a diagnostic scanner and check the freeze frame data to see exactly when the failure happened. After you clear the code and take it for a test drive, if it pops back up immediately, you need to get under the hood and look at the linkage. Use a digital voltometer to check the wiring and the actuator itself. If you find that the actuator is getting the right signal from the PICM but the shaft is not moving, you are likely looking at a mechanical failure of the flaps or the motor. Sometimes it is just a loose connector or a bit of carbon buildup stopping the flaps from moving freely. Do not ignore this one, because in a worst-case scenario, hardware from a failing manifold could actually get sucked into your combustion chamber and cause some real engine damage. Take your time checking those vacuum lines and electrical connections first, as a simple loose wire or a cracked rubber hose is often the secret culprit behind this whole headache.